This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus 5G AI smartphone. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone has 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which offers vibrant and clear visuals. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which ensure fast and efficient performance. This smartphone has 50 MP main camera for detailed photos, 12 MP ultra-wide camera to capture wider scenes, 10 MP telephoto lens with 3x optimal zoom for close-up shots, and 12 MP selfie camera for clear self-portraits. And this smartphone camera system is equipped with AI Pro Visual Engine that enhances image and video quality, especially in low light conditions. This smartphone has 4900 mAh battery and it supports 45-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and it provides ample power throughout the day. This smartphone comes with 256 GB and 512 GB storage options, both with 12 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. This phone allows you to use natural language to interact with Google Gemini and Samsung's AI assistant. This can help with tasks like summarizing videos, creating notes, and managing your schedule. And this phone is built with strong aluminum frame and durable glass to withstand everyday wear and tear. Now we will see the technical details. This smartphone has 6.7-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED display. Processor is Snapdragon 8 Elite. Rear camera has 50 MP main sensor, 12 MP ultra-wide lens, 10 MP telephoto lens, and it has 12 MP front camera. RAM is 8 GB or 12 GB. Storage is 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 terabyte options. This smartphone has 4900 mAh battery. Weight of this smartphone is 190 grams. Operating system is Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 interface. This smartphone support 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and it includes NFC for contactless payments. This smartphone has in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 water and dust resistance. Now we will see the pros of this smartphone. This smartphone has high quality display. The large AMOLED screen offers bright and sharp visuals, enhancing viewing experience. This smartphone has robust performance. The latest processor ensure quick and efficient operation, suitable for demanding tasks and gaming. This smartphone has versatile camera setup. Multiple lenses provide flexibility for various photography needs, from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. This smartphone has long battery life. The substantial battery capacity, coupled with fast charging options, ensure the device remains powered throughout the day. This smartphone has advanced AI integration. AI features offer personalized assistance and smart suggestions, which enhance overall usability. Now we will see cons of this smartphone. First point is incremental upgrades. Some users may find the improvements over the previous models to be minimal. Next point is high price point. The premium features come with a higher cost, which might be consideration for budget conscious buyers. What are the customer positive feedbacks? Users have praised the Galaxy 25 Plus for its advanced AI features, which enhance daily tasks and provide a more personalized experience. The device performance, camera quality, and long-term software support have also received a prize for their advancement over previous models. Now we will see the price details. In US, the price ranges from $999 to $1,119. In India, the price ranges from 86,400 rupees to 96,700 rupees.